故事. I'm going to talk about the economics of the taxes and AI, the impacts on welfare and inequity and productivity. And the introduction, I will explore the significant impacts that the taxes and generative AI have on the market welfare, focusing on the consumer and producer perspectives. Here, I want to understand their interconnections and dependence as the economic policies and technological developments influence the improvements in the efficiencies and productivities on the market. And this is the impacts of the consumption taxes, starting with the consumption taxes such as the sales tax and VAT. These policies directly affect markets domestic by altering the price consumers pay and the revenue producer receives. This results in changes in the consumer and producer supplies and the creation of the debt-wise lost, which show the markets have failed to achieve the efficiency because of the taxation internal and the distort of the markets. Next, we address the roles of the tariffs and the taxes imposed on the import goods. Tariffs increase the cost of these goods, protecting the domestic industries while also affecting consumer supplies and the government revenue. Now, looking at the generative AI, it is one of the most promising ways of enhancing the service and products while still pursuing market inequity. On one side, AI can reduce the imbalance in the supply and the demands of the occupations and equinox the wages for the high skill positions by replacing the monitor's focus functions. On the other, it may replace low-skilled employees, hence increasing the inequality in the society and the economic among the college field. In terms of the productivities, AI also has two phases. First, where AI increases the organization's efficiencies and functionally with the enhanced productions activities and the resuscitate economic expansions and upgrades of the standards of living. In the second expansible, it can be seen even its current AI applications are insufficient or certain skills have not been developed. There will be the little effect on productivity where the reveal the supplement that's the necessary for the success of AI in the economic. Finally, let us discuss a similarly unrelated but equally important topic, application of the behavior economics in the connection with the unhealthy food choice. In this paper, the analysis of how to investigate reward and access to non-healthy products shape the truth of the consumptions at the expense of the healthy consequences provides. The analysis is critical for developed strategies to encourage beneficial consumer behavior by positions and using distinct sign. In conclusion, the topics of the current discussion of the present author have been focusing on the field of economic policies and technology projections, the changes which have occurred, the welfare, market efficiencies, and inequity. They are they are undeniable, and we should take them into the account when making our policies and economics plan for the future to achieve a fair and balanced market. Understandably acknowledge the interdependencies of these constitutes will against in creating an economics opportunities and that responds to overall needs, the integration of the technology and policies to improve the human condition.